because the housing market seems to be a little, interesting versus what it's been for the last 2 years. And everybody's been talking about the rates. Everyone's been talking about how it's kind of come to a standstill. I would argue that it's not a standstill, but now it's much more balanced for buyers. And there's way more opportunity for buyers right now. In the past, sellers like to see buyers putting 20% down as part of the down payment. Now, historically, you don't need 20% down to buy a house. But during the last 2 years of the pandemic, we had so much cash flowing into this economy and so many people had so much money that they were putting 20, 30, 40, 50% down, waiving appraisals, waiving mortgages. I would argue that right now, the last 2 months of the quarter, as we enter into the end of 22, it is a great time for buyers that don't have 20% down. They can buy homes with 5% down. They can buy homes with 3.5% down. All of my buyers that are using VA loans, it's an incredible time right now. Because properties are sitting a little bit longer, it's giving buyers a lot more negotiating power. And part of that negotiating power is the money down conversation, because you can always refinance if you are able to. Interest rates are higher, so the less money you put down could affect your monthly payment. But the argument on the other side of that is that you can always refinance. And you can shop the rates. You can find smaller banks that would work with you to get more portfolio money that's still available. The general consensus of this is that it is still a good time to buy because of the negotiating power buyers now have. They did not have this power when we started the pandemic. It was bananas. And we've talked about this ad nauseum. And every agent's talking about this. Every agent on video is talking about this. But it's important to really understand that buyers have some power right now. So you can use that power, put less money down, get into a home, get out of renting. I mean, there's so many arguments for the let's keep looking, let's keep searching, let's keep moving forward and buying a property today.